Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to add passport details on Jet2. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Jet2 web application, or just go ahead and launch your Web2 web application. And once you do that, sign in using your account credentials. So once you're signed in, it's going to take you right into this home page. So from this home page, go ahead and click on My Jet2 at the top right corner. Then from this drop down menu, go ahead and click on Bookings. It's going to take you to your bookings management page where you find all your bookings in one space. So if you have active bookings, you'll find all of them here, or you can easily just go ahead and click on here, click on the booking reference and click on add booking. But then once you're on this page, find the exact booking that you want to add your passport details to and tap on that booking, and it's going to take you to the booking details page. Now in the booking details page, look for the option to upload or add your passport details. Jet2 allows you to add your passport information through this booking management session before online check-in opens. Now, once you tap on upload or add your passport details, select the passenger whose passport details you want to add. Enter the required passport information exactly as it appears on the passport and make sure all details are accurate, including the passenger's name, passport number, nationality, date of birth, and passport expiry date where requested. Review all information carefully. The passport you plan to travel with should match the passport details on your booking. Then submit or save the passport details. Once successfully added, your information will be saved to your booking and can help make the online check-in process quicker and easier. If you have more than one passenger on the booking, repeat the process for each passenger who needs passport details added. It's important for you to know that if you later decide to travel with a different passport, Jet2 says you can update your passport details through this booking management page, or you can visit the airport check-in desk before traveling. The passport you travel with must match the passport details on your booking. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.